fundraising, I decided to record a discussion that I had with ChatGPT, which was my idea to create the nonprofit Quest, which is a game about fundraising. So I wanted to do that and just test it out. So yesterday there was important information about a new Google Gemini 3 that came out, the LLM, and I wanted to test it out and see how it works. So I did a quick storyboard with ChatGPT. I took that storyboard and refined it a little bit, and then I just uploaded it to Google AI Studio in the build portion. And this is where I am. So this is what I created. It was an initial one shot plus a couple of edits. Took me an entire, approximately an hour to finish. So this is a nonprofit quest, change the world, build an organization from scratch. And you can tell, you can actually touch this and pull this, which is really cool. And then if you go start your mission, so you choose your mission, like you could be a food bank, environmental cleanup, animal rescue, community arts, health and wellness, different nonprofits. So this is sort of teaching people about nonprofits. So I'm just going to click the first one, food bank. And this is what it looks like. So the scrappy beginning of a nonprofit. So this can teach people, what it is to run a nonprofit, what you would need to do, and I can add in functionality as we go. So it's welcome. I'm ready to help you grow your food bank organization. So you have to start, and you start by fundraising. And then as you fundraise, you can see you raise tokens. That's what we're using in this environment. And then as you fundraise, you can also run programs. So I'm going to run a program here. So as you run programs, you get impact. And you can see here, generated 8 impact through programs. You outreach, brought modest yet vital collection of food. So it just gives you a summary on the right-hand side of what's going on. And then you can see if I get 50 tokens, which I just got because I raised funds, and then you can see small donations trickled in, and then I want to do a prospect finder. So then AI prospect finder gives you the capability to use the AI tools when you fundraise. And you can see here, if you click here now, the fundraising and impact exponentially increase. So before we were going a little bit by little bit, the AI tools help you go faster and faster, which is kind of cool. So I've already finished the first level, and I'm going to go to the next level. And you can see here, this is the impact, the little hearts. So I'm going to advance to the next screen, and you can see the nonprofit is growing. So you get a bigger building, more workers there. And then you have more skills that you can unlock. So as you fundraise, as you use the tools, you can unlock the AI grant finder. You can continue to fundraise. Now I want to buy the AI grant finder. And it just goes on and on. You get more impact. You're helping the organization grow. And you can see this is a impact plus tokens. And this is just a simple example of what I created within an hour. And right now you can see this is in survival mode. So as you move up, you go to the next level and you get, again, a larger building, serve more people. These are serving the impact of the organization. And yeah, it's the nonprofit sector is going to become more and more important. And this is an example of teaching people the importance here. I'm going to go to challenge. There's a catastrophe, refrigerator unexpectedly breaks down, and you're going to need money for that. So it's giving you sort of a background here. And then we go to the next level, more impact, and see how we can overcome these challenges. So thank you. This was a quick walkthrough for the nonprofit quest. And you'll be able to see this in the next couple of days on your feed. And you can click in and view it and visit me at Anyone Can Fundraise. Thank you so much. Bye.